Today we are excited to introduce you our innovative Smart NPK Analyzer, a cutting-edge device designed to simplify and enhance soil nutrient analysis. Let's dive into its feature and functionality. At the heart of our Smart NPK sensors is an Arduino Nano microcontroller which powers the entire system with the help of 9-volt battery. So now we will see what are the components used in this NPK analyzer. So we can see this is the display unit. It is 20x4 LCD display unit, and here we can see we have used I2C display module, and this module is connected with Arduino Nano. Okay, this Arduino Nano is powered by 9-volt battery. Okay, and we have used another unit, that is the signal converter. So this is the signal converter, and this sensor nodes, this cables is connected with Arduino Nano. So these are the components we have used for this NPK analyzer. And for coding purposes we need laptops where we will do the coding for Arduino Nano. This compact yet powerful board allows for precise data processing and control. We have paired it with high quality LCD display unit which provides real-time feedback on the NPK levels directly from the sensor. No need for external data loggers or complex setup. Everything you need is right here. The user-friendly on-off switch ensures that you can easily power the device on and off without minimum efforts. This feature is added for convenience, allowing you to save the power when the sensor is not in use. This NPK analyzer has a standard NPK sensors which measures essential soil nutrients, that is nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. This crucial information helps in assessing soil health and optimizing fertilization practice for better crop yield. You can get the accurate nutrient readings directly from the soil without needing to send the sample to a soil lab. Simply insert the sensors into the soil, switch it on and watch as the LCD displays the nutrient levels. It is that straightforward.
Working principle of the soil NPK sensors is mainly based on the techniques of the spatial analysis, electrochemical and ion selective sensing. And these sensors are actually which we are made, it is a soil NPK analyzer which is having the wide range of applications in the field of agriculture like fertilizer management, soil health assessment and precision farming management. And this NPK analyzer actually provide us the informations of soil nutrients which is having helpful in the optimization of the planting systems. And now this device which we shown us, it's check the how much NPK actually present in these particular soils.